For our next troubleshooting demonstration, we're looking at surfaces that you are either unable to hit a stud, don't have very sturdy studs, or if you're using a 10-inch bracket, a lot of the times with 16 inches on center, you're not going to be able to hit a stud. So for small brackets or shelves that use a small bracket and larger shelves that you're looking for a little bit of additional support, we recommend drywall toggle anchors. And these are going to be the best way to really add that additional support, or if there isn't a stud to hit, it'll be the way that you'll be able to fasten that bracket to the wall and have the most structural integrity with a drywall surface. So the reason why we chose this Easy Anchor brand drywall toggle anchor is because it is first very easy to install. With its specific design, it allows you to use any drill with a Phillips head drive and self-tap drill into your drywall. And once it sits into your drywall, you simply apply the screw and it will release the toggle anchor in the back and fasten it to your drywall. One other application for using drywall toggle anchors is with plastered walls. Oftentimes it's either very difficult to find studs or you don't really have any studs at all. So this is another great application for that. So first, when putting these drywall anchors into your wall, they are self-tapping. So all you need is a number 2 Phillips head or even a number 1 Phillips head on your drill, and it will fit right into the end of your drywall toggle anchor. So again, I've already marked where I want to put my anchors so that I could then mount my bracket later. So we will be able to drill in and it will self-tap its way through the drywall and it will sit flush to the drywall, and that's when we will stop drilling. So now when mounting the bracket, we'll line it up with our holes, and then we'll be able to drill into our toggle anchors. And as you drill into it, the anchor in the back of the toggle will flare out and provide a large surface for the anchor to hold on to, thus providing all the great strength that we can receive from these anchors. One more thing to note when installing drywall anchors. We never want to put one anchor on top of the other. This will compromise our structural integrity of the drywall with 2 holes being so close together. So instead, we'll mount our anchors on the top in separate locations on our drywall, where in the bottom, we would simply use some small inch sheetrock screws to fasten the bottom of our bracket to our drywall.